Hello and welcome. Thank you for connecting with us. This is Graceful Treats Media, where you can be tutored in smartphone video editing and graphics design skills and turn your skills into cash. Stay with us by following or subscribing to our social media handles, or better still, connect to our free online starter to professional tutorial classes. Enjoy.
Today in today's tutorial, I want to walk you through how to turn your texts into audio. In other words, we call it TTS, text to speech. You will need this in all your adverts or promotional videos and many other videos you are creating. So let me walk you through it quickly. Let's go to our Chrome browser. Then let's type and search CRIKK.com. CRIKK.com. Okay, so in the home page of the site, just scroll up, and then you will come to this button here. You come to this button here where you have free TTS, free text to speech. Tap on that button, and then it will lead you to this interface. Now for me, I already have an account, already signed up, but for you who is fresh to this page, in order to get maximum and best use of the site, you need to sign up with them. I already have an account, so I can go ahead to log in. For you who doesn't have an account before, go ahead and then sign up. Tap on this button here to sign up. So let me show that to you. Tap on sign up, and then you enter your name, first name, last name, your email address, create a password, all that. Then go ahead and tap on sign up, and then your account will be created. Use the account information to log in. Okay, so for me who already have an account, let me quickly log in. Let me log in to show you what we have for today's class. Log in. Tap on login. Okay. Let me go ahead to enter my details. Enter my password. Okay, still loading. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Alright, so okay, let's go ahead to tap on new project. Tap on new project. Then go on and create title for the project. Let me see. Let me call it tutorial for the sake of it. Okay, let me just put tutorial intro. Tutorial intro, then I will tap on create project. Tap on create project. Okay, so that particular folder has been created for me. So what do? Go ahead, see the folder I just created. go ahead and tap on the folder. Let me tap on it. Alright, so here is the folder. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I actually want to do text to speech. I want to do a text to speech, so I'll go ahead to tap on this button. I'll tap on that button. Then let me enter my title. Okay, let me still use the same title with the folder. Tutorial intro. Tutorial intro. Then okay, now I already have my text written. Okay, let me go back and show it to you. Let me open my notepad. Here is my notepad. So I already have my text written, so I will now go ahead to copy it from my notepad. Then I'll return to my browser. Okay, so on this particular box here where you have enter text, I'll go ahead and then paste the text I copied from the notepad. Let me paste it. Okay, pasted. So here, let me tap on this button. In this particular button, you can go ahead to choose set my language. Okay, it's not responding. I'll return back to it. Now here you can use this button to choose whether it is a male voice or a female voice you want to use for the audio. So let's go ahead and tap on it. So now you can see that some of these voices, some are while some are for the full version. So if you are not on the full version, there are some you cannot use. For the sake of this tutorial, let me just go ahead and choose this one. Let me choose this one. Female voice. Okay, let me still tap on text to speech. Okay, it's taking it down. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tap on this button. Supposed to bring options. I want all the options to show. Okay, maybe because I'm doing a screen recording, but on your own, when you tap on that button, you will see you have things like English, United Kingdom, English USA, English South Africa, then Tanzania, and the rest of it. So based on your choice, go ahead and choose So let me just go with this English US, and I already showed you how to choose a particular voice whether for review. So in order to preview the audio, you can tap on this button. Tap on this button here to preview the audio before you go ahead to download it. So let's tap on it. You can see it's generating.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're connected to this class from. I welcome you nicely to Gracious Treats Digital's free online tutorial sessions. I believe you're here because you really want to learn the arts and skills of smartphone video editing and graphics designs, and better still to start using the skill to earn some cash. I encourage you to please be humbly passionate and set your mind on what you want to achieve as we go through today's section.
Did you see that? Okay, so the next thing is to go ahead and create our audio. What we just did is to preview to see if there will be need for any correction. I think I'm okay with this. So let's go ahead and tap on create audio. Tap on create audio. Okay, so the audio has been created. Where is it? Here's the folder. So what do we do next? Go ahead and tap on that. Tap on the folder. Now the folder is open. So to download the audio you just created into your mobile device, into your phone, go ahead and tap on this download button again. Tap on the download button. Immediately tap on the download button. Immediately So that's a very easy way to turn your texts into audio for all your advert videos and many other videos. And there are other more professional sites to use, but for the sake of this particular tutorial, we are using this one. In subsequent classes to come, we will look at that. Thank you for being part of the class.